What's up everyone? So, let's do a vlog, shall we? So, this is my first ever vlog and we're just going to see what we get up to in the shop today. I've got a few projects in mind, so we'll see how we do. We'll make some things. Cake stand today, I think it is. Right, so in today's video, we've been commissioned to make a cake stand. So this one's going to have a brass ring for the cake to sit underneath with a nice oak base. Let's see how we get on. Roll credits. See? This is how many times I've got to do intros. Lots of reviewing, lots of retakes, lots of me screwing up, but I've only just figured out I can use my wireless mouse to press buttons when I'm not near the computer. Should have figured that out a long time ago. Just stop for a minute to see if I have the right amount. So I'm going to make like lovely, cheers mate. So I've really got to get my dust collection sorted because I've done the thing that I tell everyone at my work to not do, and that is explode my vacuum bag. Now I teach cleaners for a living and this is a massive no-no in the cleaning world, and I've managed to do it myself with sawdust. Wait another minute, no, I won't. Okay, so that's it. I'm done for the minute. So I've got my tops and sides gluing up, got my edges gluing up, and actually there's not a lot else I can do now. So I think breakfast time. So let's go and find some food. Right, let's get going. I've got car keys. I'm a man on a mission. I'm a man on a mission. I don't need no permission. I'm a man on a mission. Take it up now, take it up. I ain't waiting and wishing. Take it up now, take it up. Oh, I got that ambition. Take it up now, take it up. I'm a man. So if you ever come and visit me in the shop, this is where we're going to be going for lunch, dinner or breakfast or tea. Right, lovely breakfast. So home to see how the glue up's going, and then bit of a tidy and sort out.
One eternity later.
Okay, so what I was going to do, because I'm waiting for that to dry, I've got this fitting here. I'm going to take it off and see if I do have any more of these CTS fittings that will actually fit it, because this one's okay actually, but I'd rather have the proper quick clip thing. Well, back to using this one. I'll have another look at some point. At least this does fit on there. And it's fairly tight too. I'm a man on a mission. I'm a man on a mission. I don't need no permission. I'm a man on a mission. Take it up now, take it up. I ain't waiting and wishing. Take it up now, take it up. Oh, I got that ambition. Take it up. I'm a man on a mission. Okay, so I've cleared up all the stuff that was there, and basically this is what I put out of it. Not a lot, which is fine because it was all going to be pallet wood anyway, but I've got some fairly decent chunks of oak here, so I'm going to have a bit more to tidy up, sort out some of the stuff down there, try and get that because I've got all of this stuff here as well, which I'm going to get underneath there. Right, I need to have a quick trip to Labden's, so I need to get some coach bolts for this and some of those butterfly bolt things as well to go through here. So quick trip to Labden and we'll get going. Okay, so this is my local building merchants, and it's called Labden's Building Supplies. They've been really good to me over the years. They normally do me sheet goods, things like that. No hardwoods, but all the general building stuff. They almost always have what I need. So that's the end of my day off today. I've managed to get all of my stuff cut. I've got things gluing again. So that's pretty much what a day in the life of me in BrookesWood Builds looks like. So that's vlog number 1 done, and all that's left to say is see you later. So last bit to do today is transfer everything to the laptop and then start editing. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see if I can do some more. Catch you later.